Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is working with Python Interactive Interpreter. This is sixth topic in getting started with Python. Let's begin. Click on the Start menu. Select Python 3.9. Click on Python 3.9. This is a Python Interactive Interpreter. Here you can find some information about the Python installed version, and there are some configuration information. You can see here there are three greater than symbol. This is a command prompt where you can write Python commands. Let's type some command here. Python interpreter reads a command, evaluates it, and prints the output and loop back to the command prompt again. Let's type one more command. You can also use Python interpreter to do some simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can also use Python expressions here. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30, total is equal to A plus B plus C, total average is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. In Python interpreter, you don't need to type the print statement to print the value of variables. You can simply type the variable like this. You can also type some literals. It will display the same whatever you have typed. For example, I have typed string literals here. You can also type some numbers like this. You can use underscore to get the last output. For example, so my last output is 4.5. It displays 4.5. Let's use another variable. So I want to display the value. Now let's use the underscore. So it gives the last output. So you can use this underscore also in an expression. For example, A is equal to 5. Now let's print A. So the underscore value was 15. Now it becomes 20. Interpreter cannot save the Python commands you typed above. If you close this window, everything will be lost. You can use a Python interpreter to simply experiment with the command interactively. You need to use a file editor such as Python ideally to write Python code, save it and run the code again and again. You can also open the Python interpreter in Windows command prompt. Let's open Windows command prompt. You can see that it opens the default folder. Just type Python here. It enters into interactive mode. Now you can use this as a Python interpreter. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.